Okay, so the problem that I'm having right now is the next thing. It's about this account, this business portfolio from Anso Brakel, 2094251729845541. This is the account. The problem is the people that are in it. One of the one of the persons needs to be withdrawn from this account, at least with all the roles and all the authorities that this person has. I'm talking about Sam Hoppenbrouwers. Right now, I'm logged in with the account with the credentials of Sam Hoppenbrouwers. It's the director of one of the divisions within the company. The problem is the reason why we want some out of it is because we are dealing with an issue, and this issue is this thing. Because I am an interim and I'm working for the company, so I'm doing their ads and stuff like that, and I'm very familiar with Facebook and CRMs and APIs. I'm doing this for over 9 years already, and usually everything goes smoothless, except for now. So that's the reason why I need your assistance, guys. So the thing is, right now I've created in their account, Anso Brakel, I've created a few forms. But before I use everything, I always test them. So I use an app called Appiway. It's the same thing like Zapier to do the data transfers from the fields, from the meta forms into my CRM system, which after that will be run by my CRM for funnels and stuff like that. So what I usually do is I set up the way as a trigger for Facebook leads and create a new lead. Select my page on Sobraco, select the form, it's one of the forms, it doesn't matter which one. Update fields, of course, it says no data because I need to test it first. Therefore, I go to the Facebook lead ads testing tool, on Sobraco, the page name, lead retrieval for, let's say, this form, create lead, but as soon as I create lead, I get this pop-up. And this pop-up will increase the size a little bit. This is the app ID. The error description is the page admin who installs the app ceased being an admin. And that's not a real problem because like I mentioned earlier, that is Sam Hoppenbrouwers. Yesterday, as you can see on the date, yesterday I asked him to re-log into his account or create a new account with the same credentials, telephone number and stuff like that. And we added him into the account because he was like let's say the OG admin from the Anso Brakel portfolio. He set this thing up. Later, Sander, that's one of the guys who's working there in the marketing department. Some told to Sander, "You fix everything regarding marketing, and I will pull myself out of the account," which he did. But right now we're getting errors because Sam is still the person who receives every notification and verification on his telephone. And that's the reason why we want Sam to be deleted or at least being removed from the account with all the two-step verifications and stuff like that, because all this role things that are coming with this role, we need to have it for Sander, the person who works there internally with the marketing, not me, but Sander. Um, because Sandy also gave me and everything else the full role as an admin. So maybe we could tackle the problem by being an admin as well, but that does not clear the process. That does not fix the problem. So this problem still occurs. And to fix the step is this one. We need to recreate a page access token from a person who can perform the advertise task on the page and resubscribe the app with page using the new token. I've clicked on the few links. I tried to solve the problem myself, but I couldn't figure out exactly what. I've been talking to the Meta Tech already for two times. They couldn't help me, and that's the reason why I'm coming to you guys. So my request is as follows. Sam Hoppenbrouwers, who receives all the notifications and verifications on his telephone, which is actually the OG admin who ceased being an admin. Right now, I can log into his account and do stuff, but still I cannot manage to figure out what to do now exactly to fix this problem. So if you guys can help us to remove Sam and give everything, all the role details and all the two-step verifications and all the things needed to fix the problem and give everything, all the roles and all the authorities to Sander, that would be, I guess that would be the solution. But if you guys think there is another solution, I'm gladly to hear. And you can email me or even call me if needed. And for today, and I hope we can fix this problem, because there's a lot more to do for me in that company. There's big projects, but this is definitely the issue that we first need to tackle before we can upscale my projects. So I keep my fingers crossed and hope you guys come back with the solution. Thank you for looking and listening, and hope to talk to you soon.